I first heard of tech from my cousin actually. He did the construction class the year before I did, and then a couple of my buddies did it as well, and they just said it was a great thing to kind of do some hands-on stuff. The shadows was really cool because I got to see what the other classes were doing instead of just walking around the building. I got to see them in action and what they're doing throughout the year.
So the work-based learning opportunity has provided me so much. The guys at Vincent Heating and Plumbing, they teach me everything I need to know. I am going out every day after my first 3 hours of school, and I am learning hands-on how to do stuff. Every day I learn something new, and I get the full hands-on experience. I love the fact that my apprenticeship is always different, that I'm in a different location, I'm always doing something different. It makes me very happy that I'm helping people with something that they need.
I'm Brendan Hofer, and I am Tech Construction Trades.
My name is Brianna Priestcorn, and I am Tech Construction Trades.